a book published to celebrate the 10th anniversary of BTS debut. I bought this from Amazon. I ordered it almost 8 days ago. This book was published in time for Army's birthday, July 9th. It will be released in a total of 23 languages, include English also. The book is a bit heavy, but I am not sure exactly which 23 languages they will be. Compare the size of this book with my phone. While being interviewed over 2 years, the member widely told the story from before they debuted to the present. See, this name Kang Myong Seok here, he is the author. I'll take this one of two. Wow, it looks like a New Testament, lol. It's a hardcover book. I can keep it for a long time. What a cool book. A photo card set is also included, but I have not received it. Anyway, I searched for this named Kang Myong Seok. He has been the editor-in-chief of Weavers magazine since 2020. And according to the information I found, this book has up to 496 pages. The paper is like the material of an album photo book. Maybe that's why it's a bit heavy. The information I found about Kang Myong Seok shows that he was very talented from his high school days. For this book, he covered BTS from before they debuted to the present for more than 3 years, and he added the individual interviews with members over 2 years. So inevitably, the content of this book may not be 100% the views of the members. I believe Kang Myong Seok as a subject view must have been reflected. It's not an autobiography, so I think it's an unavoidable part. These photos you are looking at right now, there are 21 photos, 3 for each members. These portrait photos were released for the first time here. The part with this mark is what the members said at the interview, like this one here too. So these parts must be 100% the opinions of the members. A total of 7 chapters. Seoul, Why We Exist, Love Hate Army, Inside Out, A Flight That Never Lands, The World of BTS, We Are. This book has up to 500 pages. Chapter 1, Seoul. You now not a single members of BTS is from Seoul, so it tells how they come to Seoul before their debut. When I played Cypher in the park with Youngs, we used to make music together. About 20 people come to see it. The meaning of the Cypher is explained below. There are a QR code in this book. It says watch and compare Jungkook's practice room choreography video from yearly February 2030. This is it and connects to the Bangtan TV channel on a YouTube and the story of their dorm during their trainee days. It would be so much fun to read it all. Chapter 2, Why We Exist. The album concept photos. Finally, the story of the day they debuted. Said Rookie King. I haven't read it, but I am already sad. Here comes the story related to Be Free. Just like Be Free, some people judge the musical identity of an idol group without listening to their music. All ARMY were hurt by that incident. Chapter 3, Love Hate Army HYYH era. These photos are really touching, so cute. Oh my god, so freaking cute. Chapter 4 is Inside Out, Wings You Never Walk Alone. Chapter 5 is A Flight That Never Lands, Love Yourself. I will show you the album concept photo. This is the most beautiful photos of my 7 kings looking so freaking handsome, so cute. Oh my god, this is so dreamy. Chapter 6 is the world of BTS, the map of the Seoul era. Finally, chapter 7 is VR. It's during the COVID pandemic, especially during this time, they released several English songs. And the last album proof there are more than 313 QR codes in this book, and like this there are track lists for all their albums, and the main history of BTS is organized like this from 2013. The photo cards, I think this is to scan QR codes when there are multiple codes. This will help you to scan the right one you want, like this. Is this just the title of this book? What is that for? And 7 photo cards, but I have not received it. The title of the book on the back, the same size as an album photo card. His stage name is in English and Korean, and his real name here. Remember the 21 portrait photo we saw earlier? I guess these were taken on the same day but look slightly different. In many ways, it seems to be a great book worth owning for Army. I want to upload this video quickly so that I can start to read. Can't wait to find out more hidden stories that I don't know yet. My 7 king of BTS, all of us armies love you so much and we will always support for you. Sarangai.